to Cryssberry Reviews and Tips once again. So today our product for review is Fasten Up Instant Protein Oats. Oats can be a very healthy breakfast, lunch or dinner, and to make it more delicious, Fasten Up comes with two mouth-watering flavors. One is must masala, the other one is must tomato. Including oats to your diet is an effortless way to attain protein and fiber, and it's good to know that this product is also approved by the legendary Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Each serving, that is 45 grams of this pack, approximately half cup of product, contains 10 grams of plant-based protein, 5 grams of dietary fibers, crunchy seeds like chia and pumpkin, and also tulsi. Fasten Up Protein Oats is packed with beta-glucan, which helps manage cholesterol, and overall it's good to know that this product doesn't contain any kind of artificial preservatives, refined sugars, soya and allergens. So now let's see how to prepare this very delicious instant oats. So let's cut the sachet and transfer it to a cooking bowl. Add around 180 to 200 ml of water. Just give it a quick mix and start boiling it on medium flame. Boil it for about 3 minutes, and here our very delicious oats is ready to eat. If you wish to buy this product, please check the link in the description box, and to avail special discount you can use my coupon code. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. See you soon in another useful video like this. Until then,